Hi guys, good morning and welcome to AindrilazDNA. So today I'm very happy. I'm going to Calicut Beach actually. Before that we may move to a highlight mall. I guess one of my friend is, junior is coming and going along with me, so we'll have fun today. Let's see. I'm keeping the intro short because it makes my video so lengthy. I just realized it. So yeah, so where I'm going to vlog from there today only. And yeah, let's get started and keep watching. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing a denim outfit. It's a one piece actually. I think it's cool and good for beach. So friends, we are in bus and I'm going with her. Her name is Amanpreet. So we are in bus, we are heading towards Highlight Mall.
Guess it's been a while since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny, my heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape, can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keep.
So guys, we are not going to Highlight Mall today because it's far away from this place. Actually, we came near beach only because we are going to spend time here only. Otherwise, it will be too late to go back to hostel. So that's why here is a nice place to see. Let's explore. Friends, finally at the Kozhikode Beach. So yeah, it's very beautiful. You can see from my backside that I will show you later, okay? But now it's too much hot. Oh, I can see probably also in the video what I'm saying or written here. We are here until the sunset. So we are about to stay. We are not going to get into the water, definitely, because it's very deep actually. It's not shallow. Or it's afternoon also, that's why high tides are there, no? High tides are there.
Always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape, can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on, I don't wanna feel the same. So love, just let me go. Guess I didn't know it would end this way. One drink too much and I could see you.
So we are just roaming around and I'm just getting tanned enough. She's also there. She's also doing some videos. I'm doing also videos. You can hear the sounds of the waves. That's very beautiful and so relaxing. ये सनग्लासेस निकाल लेते हैं ना. I think I have to wear the sunglasses, otherwise I can't see the phone screen also. As you can see, here are many shops out there. We are going to eat because we are very hungry. We have only done little bit of breakfast, only 2 dosas, and that were not good also. I don't know where she has kept her mask, so I don't know. Oh, it's a relaxing place, but now the sun is over our head. I don't know, but after some time it's going to become so cool over here. You can see some trees are also here. Ice cream is also there, but I am not going to eat ice cream. Yeah, just enjoy the view. So yeah friends, we are not going there anymore because the sand is very much hot and we can't walk properly and we are hungry, so we are just planning to eat something. I don't know from where. Here only the fast food is there, so we don't know. Let's see, let's cool down the temperature, then we will see the sunset, I guess. We just click some pictures, but the pictures are, I don't know, just becoming silhouette. Only we are becoming shadows and the sea is just prominent, and we just want to capture the sunset, so we are just waiting. And high tides also, so it's the ocean is also just very much fluffy, you see. The sea is very much close to us, and during the sunset it will go until there, so you can walk on the sand over there. So guys, we are now in another half of this Kozhikode Beach. Yeah, it's something written here, Freedom Square, you can see Freedom Square, and it's written in Malayalam also. I don't know what is this, but something. Many, you can sit here, you can chill here, you can have food or something, but now too much hot, so we can't just, we are just burning, scorching heat. Now here is some sitting area, you can see the view is nice. I will show you later guys. So guys, we are here now, here in this shop called Niyari Junior Broast. Yeah. So we are going to eat today. Here some chicken item is present, just like KFC only. We are going to see and eat because we are very hungry. I'm showing you the place. So guys, we are in the broast shop, so we have ordered some chicken item because nothing is there other thing to eat. Literally we don't have any other much options, so yeah, we are in the restaurant. So this is the roast shop. Yeah, the interior design, we are the only people literally here, but the interior designing is good. It's full AC. Yeah, and we are sitting there. Why my flash is on? So friends, we were just waiting here for so long, for half an hour at least, and we just ordered some we have just ordered some junior roast wrap, I guess. So we are just having it. Let's see what's inside.
guess I didn't know it would end this way. One drink too much and I could see your face. Why did I let you go? How could I let you leave? Will I ever see you? And do you think of me? Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the
So guys, we are here until this time also, but I don't think so that we can stay here for so long, because we have to go to hostel and we can't see the sunset because sun will be setting after, I guess after 2 hours. You can see it's too sunny today, so I don't think so it hoga. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And until then, take care and bye bye. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.